Hello everyone, mabuhay og madayaw. I'm Edward F. Castro. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the two methods, which is the build and stir and strain method. In this video, I'm going to make a cocktail, the Bloody Mary cocktail. First is to put the glass in the glass rimmer, then get an ice. The ingredients of Bloody Mary is 45 ml vodka, pour in a jigger so that the measure is accurate. Then the next ingredients is 90 ml tomato juice. And next is 90 ml lemon juice. And then the next is 1 dash of Worcestershire. And 1 dash of Tabasco. The last ingredients is 1 pinch ground pepper. And then add more ice. And for garnish is celery. Then serve. The next cocktail is the perfect Manhattan. First step is put ice into margarita glass and put another ice to the shaker. And the first ingredients is 45 ml whiskey. Pour in a jigger so that the measure is accurate. Then pour in a shaker. Then the next ingredients is 15 ml dry vermouth. First is pour in a jigger before pour in a shaker. Then add the 15 ml of sweet vermouth. And the last ingredients is 1 dash bitters. And don't forget to stir all ingredients in a shaker. After stir the all ingredients, next is stir the ice inside of margarita glass. Then remove the ice. The last step is put the strainer in a shaker, then pour to the glass. And put cherry to the glass for garnish. Then next is put the cherry to perfect Manhattan for garnish and serve.